A quadratic formula is the solutions of a quadratic equation in the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where a cannot be 0 are given by the formula x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So I'm going to try to explain this to you in the simplest way possible. So we're given the example if a equals 1, b equals 4, and c equals negative 21. So we're going to write that as ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, because that's how we have to start it off. So what we're going to do is we're just going to simply plug in those x, b, and c values in this example we're given. So we're going to plug that in as x squared, because 1 times a is just 1. So x squared plus 4x minus 21 equals 0. So now we have our equation. We can plug that into the formula, which is x equals negative b plus or minus the square of b squared minus 4ac over everything over 2a. So we're just going to plug that in. We're simply just going to plug in those values. So we're going to get x equals negative 4 plus or minus the square root of 16 minus 4 times 1 times negative 21, and all of that divided by 2. So now we have to solve for all that. That's going to give us x equals negative 4 plus or minus the square root of 100 divided by 2. After we simplify that, that's going to give us x equals negative 4 plus 10 divided by 2. Then x equals negative 2 plus 5. So then we're going to get 5 minus 2 is 3, and negative 5 plus 2 equals negative 7, because it says plus or minus. So when we do 5 minus 2, it equals 3, and negative 5 plus 2 equals 7. So the answer to our quadratic formula is 3 and negative 7. That's how you do a quadratic formula.